Hi everyone, I'm here to do some Heggerty exercises with you. Let's start with blending. I'm going to say each sound, you'll repeat the sounds, and then we'll blend the word together. S, qu, e, o. Squeal. S, t, r, e, m. I'm going to do that one more time and then I'll blend it right after. S, t, r, e, m. Stream. These ones that have more consonants, like the 3 consonant blends, they are a little trickier, so we're going to take them slow. S, p, o, I, t, s. Splits. Excuse me. S, p, l, I, s. Splice. This last one has a lot of phonemes, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 phonemes, so listen carefully. S, t, r, e, ch, e, ng. Stretching. Good. That one was very long and a little tricky. Nice job. All right, we're going to get ready to roller coaster some words. The first word is cake. K-a-k. The word is tub. T-ub. Line. L-I-n. Nod. N-odd. Seat. S-eat. Fish. F-ish. Toad. T-o-d. Dad. D-add. Cube. K-ube. Men. M-e-n. Good. Now we're going to segment phonemes. So I'll say the word, you repeat the word, and then we're going to chop the word into its individual phonemes. Split. S-p-l-it. Scrape. S-k-r-a-p. Splat. S-p-l-at. Straight. S-t-r-a-t. Good. Okay, get your fists ready because we are going to substitute phonemes. The word is strap. Change str to cl. Clap. The word is clap. Change cl to fl. Flap. The word is drip. Change dr to gr. Grip. The word is slap. Change sl to sn. Snap. The word is smock. Change sm to st. Stock. Good. All right, now we're going to add phonemes. So we're going to start with the word part and we're going to add a beginning sound. The word is lake. Add f to the beginning. Flake. The word is ream. Add d to the beginning. Dream. The word is late. Add s to the beginning. Slate. The word is wrap. Add t to the beginning. Trap. The word is ray. Add g to the beginning. Gray. The word is tar. Add s to the beginning. Star. Good. All right, so for our last exercise, we are going to remove the 3-consonant blend in the word and see what we're left with. The word is squeal. Without squ, the word is eel. The word is street. Without str, the word is eat. The word is split. Without spl, the word is it. The word is scram. Without scr, the word is am. The word is stretching. Without str, the word is etching. Nice job today.